of the 19th century, in the year 1892, the US Rubber Company came out with its first ever modern, comfortable, rubber sole made sports shoes. And that is when the Keds were born. Well, that was a little trivia about the footwear industry. Today, the footwear industry has become so competitive, and which has led to the inception of footwear education and the evolution of footwear designers. Today we have with us an influencer who is the creative director of Swati Moda brand. Swati Mehrotra is a shoe designer who has an eye for detailing and uniqueness, and that is the reason today her brand is into so much limelight. Swati, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Sada, for having me over here. Hey guys, this is Swati Mehrotra. I'm a footwear designer by profession, and I proudly call myself enlightened, educated mochi. That's what I am, and that is what I have been really achieving a lot in making people's footwears, making them walk comfortably, making them walk in the right posture, etc. So as we roll through, I'll be sharing my side of the journey with you. Thank you.
Well, comfort is something that we all seek in our footwear, be it running shoes or designer shoes. Swati, you must be having a very hectic life. So how do you manage your work and social life or your personal life all together? I mean, how do you do the balance?
I think my work is also my responsibility, and life itself is my responsibility. If you do not really pressurize your mind that this is a particular responsibility, this is the, something which I really cannot do, this gives me a lot of pressure, you will always feel pressurized. So prioritize your day. क्या सुबह करना है, क्या रात को करना है, बीच का दिनचर्या क्या होना चाहिए. To be really honest, everything looks very easy. It's not a rocket science, believe me.
True. Having a timetable, so to say, will not make things go hunky-dory. So Swati, tell me, being a woman, does it give you a hard time in your profession?
I think women in any profession get a hard time, but believe me, men get the harder. So it's about, I don't think so it's about men or women, it's about human. And I am a person who believes in equality, and every person really needs to struggle in their life, and be it men, be it women, and be it any profession. Do you really think being a professional going to the office 9 to 5 is an easy job? I don't think so. Everything requires an effort. So I don't believe on this day.
That's very rightly put, Swati. I think at the end what matters are your skills and your passion towards your work. Now you are into a very, very competitive industry. How do you manage stress and challenges?
You already answered that everybody faces challenges and stress in their life. I think every day, every minute of life is a challenge, and a person like me, a true Cancerian and a person suffering from OCD, I am stressed about everything in life. From morning till evening till night, I'm like stressed for everything. From what am I going to wear, where have I kept my glasses, where is the money. So I'm practicing to de-stress myself, meditate a little more, stay positive, think happy, and just forget it. Whatever is happening, let it happen. Once the storm passes by, everything would be settled. That is what I have actually trained my mind for.
Well, that's a great work in progress, and I'm sure we all can de-stress if we enjoy our lives and take things really easy. So you run a huge brand, and I'm sure you must be having a large workforce working for you. Do you experience any kind of resistance when you're leading men?
I have not really experienced resistance from past couple of years. But trust me, the beginning of this journey was not this easy, not this simple. Though I actually just understood that these are the challenges, these are the stepping stones. But yes, it is a fact that in the beginning the resistance was coming from the male side of the society, because predominantly footwear industry has always been, especially in India, has always been ruled by the male, the male side. And right now also I think the men dominate this industry. But over a couple of years, with the persistence, with the hard work, I think the male side has really accepted it quite well, quite nicely, quite warmly, and now I do not face such kind of issues.
True, nothing compares to hard work and persistence, and that should be the mantra of success. So being a woman entrepreneur, what advice would you give to other women who are watching this show?
I would just say be accepting, be always open to seek help, be always open to help others. That's the only way this society and this side of the humanity can rise, and never have a competition with anyone else but with your own self. I think that's the only advice that I could really give to anybody, be it men or women, but especially for women, support the other women. I think we all need each other.
Well, that is our philosophy too. In fact, the whole idea of this initiative, Women Influencers Group, is based on women supporting women, and thankfully we are already on our path. Now, you said you are a Cancerian, and I believe Cancerians are perfectionists. So what other qualities do you have, or rather I should say, what do you love most about yourself?
I think I'll be very modest, I'll be very honest in saying this. I love my adaptability. I can adapt to any situation like a chameleon, and I'm easygoing. It takes time for me to accept it completely inside me that okay, now my environment, now my things have changed, but I am in good peace with my own self. So that's something which I really love about myself.
Great. If one starts living in the present and be at peace with oneself, I'm sure half of the battle is already won. Now, how would you define your purpose in life?
I think every soul has a purpose, and I have been blessed by God that I was sent like a woman here on this planet Earth. I'm still trying to seek the real purpose of me, but for now the purpose is to just spread smiles. That's it.
Swati, you come across as a very positive person, and I really like that about you, and I'm sure that is not very difficult, isn't it? Now, talking about values, what are your top 5 values?
Forgive, forget, love unconditionally, always help others, and never ever just dream of getting help. But yes, seek out, take the advices. Just remember that if you give to someone, there is a power that will always give you. These are my top 5 values.
Okay, Swati, tell me, at this very moment, right now, the times that we are living in, what is the most important thing for you in these trying times?
My family. That's what I have understood, that they are the only people that stand by you.
So Swati, what motivates you most in life?
Again, my family. You really would love to do anything for the people who stand by you, and that's your family. So they are my biggest motivation.
Right. Now our show is being watched by many women influencers. What advice would you give to them?
You yourself are influencers. You have influenced so many lives. You have touched so many lives. I would really just advise, keep doing that. Just keep doing that and keep influencing me as well. That's my only advice.
That was a great tip. Now before we sign off, I would like to know your thoughts about our Women Influencers Group.
It's a great platform, it's a great concept. Women for women, it's a great idea. The bigger the community actually is getting now, the better would be the results, and it would be evident in front of the world that yes, women are capable of doing so many things in life, and it is a great privilege to be a part of it. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Swati, for joining us on our show. It was really amazing to know about your viewpoints and thoughts. Thank you very much, and all the best. So all you beautiful people, if you have liked our show, you know what to do. Just comment below and let us know. Like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we promise to bring across some great content. Till we meet again, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.